कितने व्लॉग बने हुए हैं जो बाहर नहीं आए।
Not able to walk.
जगह नहीं है,
आगे कोई जाए पड़ेगी।
धक्का आ रहा है इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ। हाय हाय हाय।
अनुभव
You're not my girlfriend.
Damn.
Bro, Panda's got the vibe, right? Who said you can't wear Panda or Panda? Panda will give you free Panda.
Welcome to Gulmarg.
Smoking kills though. I don't smoke. I mean,
Yes, you just make other people die.
say this.
हाँ?
My channel idea.
तुम बस आइडिया करो, कुछ कर लेना उसके बाद। कितने व्लॉग बने हुए हैं जो बाहर नहीं आए।
बाहर का मतलब क्या है? हाँ, तुमने देखा नहीं है तो उसका मतलब ये थोड़ा ना कि
तो तुम अपने लिए बना रहे हो।
हाँ
अब बने
बने हैं।
दिखाओ।
क्यों अपने लिए बना है?
रंग मेरा बना था।
ये हमारा फर्स्ट ट्रिप है जहाँ पे हम एक साथ जा रहे हैं, तो इसमें तो बनेगा। Sun go away, come back another day. The lone man walking ahead, thinking. Now the lone man is no longer lone.
Vlog updates. We have reached the place where we start the gondola ride, and it's so fucking stunning. So this whole space behind us, almost the whole space behind us, is a golf course. Imagine playing golf, like with this view. Feels a little like surreal. So yeah, Panda, vlog update.
We are at Gulmarg. It's day 4,
Day 4.
and it's pretty touristy right now.
Yeah, there's a lot of people. They keep trying to sell us stuff.
But I mean, I get why it's touristy. Also, the fucking greenery is insane.
It's not as touristy as it could be with this kind of a
Yeah.
view and vibe.
Where do you have to stand in a line?
We're gonna hit it, and we're gonna take the gondola ride up to 13,000 feet, right?
And we are at how many feet?
I have no idea.
See, essentially, from no snow, we're going to snow.
We may not have snow. We most likely will not have snow. No, we don't have snow.
Damn.
We don't. Okay.
We will see.
No, okay. So basically, Nilisha has never seen snow, and if there's snow, also we're telling her there's no snow, so she can be surprised. You hear me?
We were waiting for the gondola now. The line didn't take long. Yeah, I'm hoping it's colder up there because I'm too warm. So what's your situation?
Very tired. My thighs are hurting.
Okay, good. Update gotten. What's your situation?
I'm good.
What's your situation?
The cleanliness.
Because you people are good.
You people.
You sound about South Indians. Biharis.
Bihari?
Yeah, we claim collectively.
Hey, Shruti Ba.
Is that how you want it?
Yeah, I don't know. I just add wa to a Hindi word and it's Bihari.
It's not like this with everyone and when I have to talk to you.
Yeah, it's like that. Yeah, that is the truth.
I mean,
So much.
There's a dummy there.
the kid was over here just kissing the pole like.
So there's a Tamil group next to us. Okay, I have to close the camera. And there's a dude in the Tamil group who is very excited to find a girl in front of him. Like he's basically like checking out a girl in front of him, and he finds her really pretty. And now that has been announced to the entire Tamil group, which is quite funny.
She's so
Because I know what they're saying.
Because she doesn't look South Indian today. No? She gives Max Bihari vibes.
What are people talking about?
What happened?
कहाँ रे बिटिया?
I told. What?
Lollipop खाओगे? खाओगे?
Lollipop खाएगा.
What is happening?
Lisa, I heard more. Apparently they were talking about us.
Yeah, one person shows you also.
Melissa is just adding masala. She's like, this is fun for me.
I want to know. No, Masha.
No, they were talking about. I caught on late. I couldn't hear them.
Yeah.
And then they were like, "Oh, this Jeffrey dude, he's feeling bad. He's feeling shy because he's like, what if there are a lot of Tamil speakers here?" At that point, I just turned like this, and they were like, and they didn't.
It would be so sad to know that all the fat fucks are not.
I'm so angry.
Hey.
How many in one? Share. Okay, Panda, sit with us.
Acha.
Two couples child you are.
I'm going with these guys.
They have all adopted you.
Bye.
5 and 4.
Get it.
Go.
Bro.
Yeah, we got Panda. We have won the game. We have got Panda. Nah, it's not. Go, you start early.
Yeah, go.
Hey, gets to the corner circle. You are VIP, enter. It's curly hair. 3 people choose you.
Get in.
Ah.
It's not that fast.
This is comfortable. Okay. I said.
Spoke too soon, no, I said.
Now I feel claustrophobic.
Fake
Oh shit, nice.
Oma.
Okay, it'll be fine. What do you feel?
Whoa.
Claustrophobic. Whoa! This is a lot.
Faster. Again.
Oh my god, your face!
Stop! Look outside. Don't look at me. फन आ रहा है मेरे को बहुत. Same. Oh my god. मेरे को बहुत फन आ रहा है. Look back.
भालू दिखेगा क्या?
हाँ, पेड़ पे चढ़ा होगा.
I'm happy the one we saw. You're the behind.
There's any emergency stop over here that we can press?
Bye. No.
To stop
Bye.
To break.
Hey, it stopped.
Whoa, we are
Oh
stuck.
no, we're stuck.
We are stuck, bro. Damn, I want to
Guys,
record this.
calm down. Don't panic.
I don't think anyone panicked so far.
I will panic.
Pretty. It's condoling. Open, please. What's up, man?
Jesus.
But what's hydraulic in it? I don't understand.
Sir?
I'm trying to understand the science. Explain the science.
What is the science? Joseph is wearing 2 sunglasses.
No, but like what part of the gondola looks hydraulic? Not wearing them. What?
He's selling them now.
100 rupees. None. Sunglass change.
Why do I look like that?
You look so cute.
Can you feel? Wait.
No, don't.
Very,
don't.
very strong.
Please don't do that. That's too much.
We have to
Oh my God.
okay.
If I do it, I feel like that will be the worst
Start
damage.
that
3,
way.
2, 1.
Don't.
Panda, no.
Okay, again,
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
2, 3.
Yeah.
Nothing is happening.
Yeah.
I think they thought
It's
about
real
it.
Now I'll do.
I think.
Mommy!
Let's
If my mom was in this when I stopped, she would have died.
My mom would have panicked.
My mom is like super claustrophobic.
Wow.
Yeah,
My
she started
mom
screaming.
wouldn't give a shit.
No, my mom would have.
Your
been
mom sound like
freaking out.
losers, dude. My mom wouldn't
You met my
react at
mom.
all. Exactly. No, I'm not saying anything.
It's on camera now.
She's my bestie.
I'm gonna show my mother. You need to send me this clip.
Why would you want to make me the enemy?
Why'd you say that?
Asshole. Bitch.
Oh.
But edited to make it so obvious that it's edited.
No.
But
No, I'm gonna make it completely natural.
It's like the AC's on.
Yeah.
I swear.
This doesn't close.
Humans. Natural air now they're like.
Yeah, AC. is just like, wow.
Hey, धीरे, धीरे,
Something is wrong.
अंदर पहुंच गए ना तो सब कुछ नीचे।
Man, those
Let's go.
Get out. छोड़ा तो नहीं? How was it, guys? Did you guys get scared?
No. Did you all get
How was it?
You guys don't.
How tranquil and peaceful, man. Look at people screaming and shouting. Woo. Oh my god. The line continues till where? Fuck. Yeah, dude.
Is that snow?
No.
Look at that, it's white.
Everything white is not snow.
Panda, look at that.
Okay, looking at that.
That
Yeah.
white area you see
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
What is that?
That is most likely.
What's she saying?
She's saying that is snow.
Oh god.
Which is like, I mean, I don't want you to.
Yeah,
if you want to believe that's snow, then all the power to you, dude.
That's the problem.
Because it's not. You like, we'll get there and you'll see.
No, on top of mountains, the land becomes that way because of constant. It's not snow.
Like it's like muddy. This thing. Okay, I know it looks white from here. It's a little brownish. Okay. Yeah, slushy. Because it's you see the mist, right? So that's constantly keeping it precipitation on.
Correct.
Yeah.
I know, sir.
But if you want to believe it's snow,
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
yeah, just believe that's snow,
I'll be
dude.
happy.
Yeah.
The land has become like that. What? Are we all just telling her the most random shit? Yeah.
Okay, wait, context to the vlog. Nilisha really wants to see snow, and we've all been trying to fool her into thinking there's not going to be snow to keep her like expectations low because we don't know for sure what it's going to be like, but we are fairly certain that there's going to be snow. And she's been like little happy and excited.
Bring that Illuminati movie.
She's like been excited about it, but like yeah, she saw the snow up on the mountains, and like she's like, is that snow? And but like everyone has given her different explanations for what that white stuff is. So it's an entertaining situation.
प्योर अगर लेना है प्योर इसका दिखाएगा
पर उसकी बात नहीं है, क्वालिटी की बात नहीं है, ये दिल की बात है।
हाँ वो बात तो सही आप भी कुछ ले लो उनके लिए तो इसमें क्या
है कि उन्होंने तो दिया ही।
उन्होंने दिया आपको आप भी को लेना था ना यहाँ से कुछ उनके लिए क्या बात
Joseph, stop having a breakdown.
गरम है आज गरम है अच्छा इसका तो हाथ भी नहीं लगाता जब इधर विंटर होता है हाँ ये लग जाता है
Can everyone check their pockets for Panda's phone?
Go back and bathe in that water.
In this cold weather, I started sweating.
Because he doesn't lose things, man.
I always find things back. You lost 3 in a row?
Yeah.
You have to be so bad for that.
So we've been at phase 1 for the past hour and a half, just standing in a line. And now we're just taking turns roaming around while someone holds the post for us. I think it's going to take another hour. And then we'll get 10 minutes on phase 2, which is actually the main area that we would want to go to, because that's where the snow is. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. Oh, my legs are fucking killing me though.
So, Anubhav is going to come from behind Shivangi and scare her. And I'm going to be a distraction now and tell them he's going to pee down there. So they don't check.
Hello.
Who's currently just in the queue?
Everyone else.
Is it okay that they're here? I feel like
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, sure, you got this.
BTS for the real.
What did you do? Come sit.
What and all has been done? The same move or like different stuff? Okay, let's go. Dude, if you can carry him, no? $1,000, as you know. I really think she can. $100.
Hey, you stabilize yourself, no?
Pretty impressive so far.
No, don't.
Yeah.
Get hurt, man.
देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं आज जमीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं रोशनी दानम हम हैं दिल है और जानम दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रह सकता है ये दिल साम लगे किस पर
Hey, it's content. Oh, my leg. Oh, my ankle was almost gone. So we're almost in for phase 2 now.
Keep getting your act tools.
We're almost in for phase 2.
Scary.
And we have to leave Gulmarg by 4 p.m. or we're stuck inside here. Oh, whoa, guys!
It's
Valid till 1 p.m.
what?
Our tickets.
Exactly, dude. Watch out, tourism department.
It'll be pretty sad to tell Nilisha
Oh,
we
yeah.
aren't able to go up.
Oh shit.
Oh, hey, that was.
It was. We just never mention it. We just never say anything about it. She just make you do everything. Face makes it easy.
Face card. India is unfair. What to do?
It's your first time coming to North, like any North.
Yeah. Any north.
Any North.
North of like Gujarat.
Nilisha is finally about to see snow.
Yeah, I'm very
really hope
excited
she
for
gets it.
her.
But she's a small gal.
Hasn't seen snow ever.
Small gal is the explanation.
She
You have to
shakes
do
her,
whatever she says. She's a
she,
small gal.
she shakes her feet when she thinks of snow.
Dude, Panda. No.
No, we don't know for sure.
Dude,
we
it's-
can't say.
No, it's
It
no.
might just be reflection.
Gul-
It might be snow.
Gul, I love you.
Look,
It's snow.
Nilisha
Stop.
is not that
I'm the
gullible.
only person who's actually stayed in snow for
No.
like 2 years. I think I will know a
that-
little bit.
Like she saw it from a distance. So I think.
And she's like,
Everyone's like, no, that is not so.
Okay, so just for context for the vlog, Panda is fully convinced that Nilisha has no clue that this is snow. And she is still thinking that this is just some reflection or white or this or that.
Yeah, no, let's keep it that way. So that
Oh,
when he comes, you're like,
Yeah.
Panda, you liar, so cute.
Yeah.
Do all drama
And in the vlog, when he's editing, he'll be like, what bitches?
Yeah. Find out later.
Yeah.
Bro, all of us gave her different
Mist
explanations.
precipitating, turning white, and not snow. Not
I don't sound like that.
I said it's the color of the land now because it's
Hey, no, I think it might be there.
no, it's not there.
Bro, it's like, but it's
Oh,
right there.
it might be.
yeah, might be
Fuck,
there.
we're going really high. We're going higher than we expected.
Wow,
And
look
I-
at that.
Holy shit.
Let's fucking go.
Shit, oh, this is so cool. Guys.
And a phone slightly inside. They'll stress.
Hey, there's no.
Oh my god, look at the crowd.
Nilisha, look up.
Dude, that's the crowd to get back down.
Yeah.
We're so screwed.
We are not going home. We're staying in Gulmarg, bro.
It's like Tintin in Tibet types.
Yeah.
Make a comic on me.
We leave from 3. I think the Janewala line is not.
It is long. That's what he said. The guard there, because everyone who's going right now will be getting in that line, and the later it gets, the line gets longer, because everyone's like, we can do it.
It's
So okay, yeah, let's.
Yeah, let's. Wow.
Let's go.
Let's go. Bro, it's fucking windy.
Open.
Go, go,
Go,
go.
go, go. Go, go, go. Whoa. Oh.
Group photo and someone volunteered for line. Yeah, let's get a group photo.
I'm going in for the line. Let's take a group photo.
Keep taking deep breaths.
Oh, your outfit's Let's keep it like this.
Snow. Give. I'll hold it. Okay. That's literally opposite of what he said. He said, don't run and deep breaths. Nisha, very important. Keep taking deep breaths. Do not forget. There's lesser oxygen here. Come on. It's for the snow. You think it's possible? बार क्यों चुका रहा
So, above updates.
Very chill over here. Finally got the hinge of some cold winds in Kashmir. And my balls are freezing right. These guys make it up over here because there's one crying uncle behind us.
Oh, there's one lady who just cut a line in front of us.
You think we'll be able to make it back in time, not to fight with policemen down there?
I feel like Gulnar will have to.
I think we'll just push Gulnar ahead.
Yeah.
Why? What's happening inside? What's moving?
Power cut.
It's raining.
At least I cried in Subway.
Instead of shouting, throwing.
Did you notice what happens though? The moment
Yeah.
they come in this area, the volume raises slightly. सचिन को मजा आ रहा है लड़ने में। मैं तो chill कर रहा हूँ।
Not here. No, not here. Downstairs guy was really bad.
Hey, friend.
There you go. Mission complete.
Hey, no one. We were just anticipating fights. And we were
Amongst these groups.
every group.
Okay. There are a lot of fights because.
Who one auntie started crying.
Saying what?
Because she left her husband behind.
Okay.
She left her husband behind. The husband tried to join, but what they did was they waited till here for them to join. Like the top of the stairs. And then auntie gave space. Everyone started shouting at the auntie. I was just feeling just two people. Everyone lost it.
Why?
We were really starting. What happened? आगे जगह नहीं है
आगे कोई जाएगा पड़ ही नहीं रहा.
धक्का आ रहा है इसलिए बोल रहा
They give a chocolate drink. Cold does many things.
I don't care. Shut up. I have an idea for like the missed moments. It's fine. Arman says there's innate niceness in people because Nilisha and
That comes
Joseph.
out during emergencies. That no.
Yeah, that comes out only when like you think that they're in need. Innate niceness would be when you're what you had.
Means it's inside.
What do you have?
What you had.
That's nice.
No, where you were being like patient and you were like ha 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 and all that shit. Oh, Shanti, oh.
Me shouting Om and people are fighting in front of me. Om
The guy behind us told us कि हम उधर से चल के आए हैं तेरे को मेरे पास पंख दिख रहे हैं क्या It's a random shit to move actually.
They're not gonna force us to stay. We'll show them our bank accounts. इसमें कमरा आएगा कमरा.
मेरे बाबा पैसे ही नहीं है. Educated award, not educated award.
Now that I have a reason to be
See what I'm talking about? See what I'm talking about?
Are they fighting or cheering? Are they fighting? He's having fun. They're fighting. No, don't make me laugh. I'll also need oxygen. Do that 2 breath in and out. He's like, Maruga main.
Hey, he threatened him with a. He threatened him with like what is it? Like a bamboo. Yeah.
What is happening?
So we found out that the guy who works here is the one who's letting people in from the side. He's
Oh.
shouting at the guy who works here, and that guy took a sticker. But he didn't return it.
I am lightheaded.
It's too much. But it looks like stable. That's the problem. Wait, okay, I'll show the horizon. So it's. Otherwise, no, because I'm holding it straight. It looks straight.
No, oh my god, please don't. Oh my god,
Look at the amount. Look at the amount. Look at the line. Look at the
No, I
middle.
don't want to look at it.
On my phone, now. Look at the line. He's losing a line from David to say. Bro, this is too bad. I know. I told you to show that. I'm moving. Fuck, I'm not weird. It's my head. That's weird, dude. That's so weird. My head.
No, I thought so.
My head feels like we were moving.
No, I
They
thought
made
so.
the bounce words like us.
Oh shit. Uncle G. Yeah,
Oh, it stopped again.
Oh, he found the ladder. That's why he's like.
Now we can get down from
I
here.
definitely don't have the ball. Actually, if it's between this and no,
No,
they
you'll have
flip
to
it.
get out from here and then go there.
Stop moving.
Or I'll just
Stop moving.
break this, and then
but
I'll break
in
this,
one
and it'll be so cold, everyone will be motivated to jump. Dude, you literally just have to jump and grab onto this, unless it breaks.
How will you get out of this?
Break.
I don't have the upper body strength to grab onto it.
Then jump leg first. Just jump leg first. Put one leg. Let it attack your crotch right in the middle. At least you'll be safe.
It's stopping again.
तो ज़्यादा हो रहा है.
They're doing this on fucking purpose.
I feel like there's some royal family Kashmir. Fat. Love you.
Sachin, what the fuck are you doing? What the fuck?
Oh, girl, we're going to die. Girl, we are going to die. It is moving too much. Sorry guys, I was running. Brain can't process this much movement. We need to keep doing something. Keep talking, keep breathing.
Stop.
We need to keep talking. Dude, if it stops again, 4:30, he's like, he's